In this problem, we rewrite the given expression into the specified form. First, the denominator, which is the square root of 4 plus bx, can be expressed as 4 plus bx raised to the power of negative half. Next, we factor out 4 inside the bracket. Since 4 raised to the power of negative half is 1 over 2, the expression becomes a over 2, multiplied by 1 plus bx over 4, raised to the power of negative half. Next, we need to expand the expression in ascending powers of x up to x cubed. Using the binomial theorem, we expand the bracket. The first term is 1. The second term is negative half multiplied by bx over 4, which simplifies to negative bx over 8. The third term is negative half choose 2 multiplied by bx over 4 squared. Simplifying this term gives 3b squared x squared divided by 128. The fourth term is negative half choose 3 multiplied by bx over 4 cubed, which simplifies to negative 5b cubed x cubed divided by 1024. Multiplying the entire expression by a over 2 gives the coefficients of the expanded expression. Here, p equals a over 2, q equals negative ab over 16, r equals 3, ab squared over 256, and s equals negative 5, ab cubed over 2048. Given that q equals 128s over 5 and r equals 9 over 256, we need to calculate the values of a and b. Since q is negative ab over 16 and s is negative 5ab cubed over 2048, simplifying the right-hand side of the equation gives negative ab over 16 equals negative ab cubed over 16. Canceling negative a over 16 from both sides, we find that b squared equals 1. Since a and b are positive integers, b equals 1. To find the value of a, we use r equals 3, ab squared over 256. Substituting b equals 1, we get 3a over 256 equals 9 over 256. Solving this gives a equals 3. Substituting the values of a and b, the expression becomes 3 over the square root of 4 plus x equals 3 over 2 minus 3 x over 16 plus 9 x squared over 256 minus 15x cubed over 2048. Next, we estimate the value of the square root of 6 divided by 2 using the given expression. Since the radical is in the denominator, we multiply both numerator and denominator by the square root of 6. Simplifying this gives 3 over the square root of 6. When comparing with the given expression, 4 plus x equals 6, so x equals 2. Substituting x equals 2 into each term of the expression gives an approximate value for the square root of 6 divided by 2. The answer is 1.207, rounded to 3 decimal places.